Hi Queens! Today I have something quite exciting to share as it is my first time participating in an auction and I won something! Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Lokie. For those of you joining us for the first time, welcome to my corner and I would love if you could subscribe to my channel and join me in discovering and appreciating luxury from the pre-loved to brand new. I tend to chit-chat more about Hermes and their bags, but honestly, I love anything luxury. So if you're into content like this, it would mean the world to me if you subscribe and hit that bell as well. Oh, shall we start looking at what I won at this auction? I chanced upon the auction site and I thought it would be fun to at least try it out. So there are a few steps to applying for this auction in which I had to register myself and get approved first, then set up an account. Only after this was I able to log on to view the items on auction before auction date, which only occurs once a week. However, because I am such a newbie at this, I missed the preview date to check out the items beforehand. But lo and behold, I somehow managed to rock up on time at this online auction to witness how bids were actually done. Let's talk about some rules to begin with, which I only realized after the auction. So if you are the winning bidder, then you would have to commit to purchase the item, of course. For every item, there will be a starting bid price and a set minimum price that the item would be sold for. If the last bid fails to reach the minimum price, then the item would not be sold. To bid, there will be 3 levels of price increments of your choice, which is $10, $50 or $100. For every highest new bid, there would be a 10 seconds countdown time for anyone to place a higher bid. So this would go on and on for hours. Of course, if time is precious and you would have no time to watch the items and prices like a hawk, then you would put a preset price on these items way before auction starts. Anyhow, there are about 500 plus items on auction each round and it covers brands from Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes, Rolex, Cartier to Kate Spade, everything you name it. So Missy here really wanted to have a go at this just for fun of it. I kind of got the hang of it when I saw a few items being bidded and sometimes also tried bidding just for fun. I mean, it is just a thrill of watching the numbers go up, but some items really sold for a good price. As a new beginner and bidder, I wasn't prepared to drop a few $1,000s just yet on items I have not previewed at all, but I kept watching as the auction continued. So anyway, this item came up after a few similar designs but in different colors. I think they had about 3 of these in all, but in different colors, and it all sold for a really good price. So when this popped up, I admit I was a bit too enthusiastic and I didn't read through the descriptions. After all, I only had 10 seconds to scroll through the pictures, speed read what I could, and oh my god guys, fastest fingers first, and this is what I won. Are you ready? Here you go, and ta-da! A Longchamp tote bag. I believe this is in the medium size, in long handles for, guess what? I got it for $20. Yes, $20. Here you go. So this should be the medium size for $20, guys. I mean, it's quite good, isn't it? Initially, I thought to myself, oops, what have I done? It all happened too quick and it was all a blur to me. I wasn't sure if I could cancel it as I really didn't need a tote bag. But then I thought, you know, it's only $20 and I could use it as a grocery bag or a travel hand carry at some point. I mean, 10 seconds for a newbie who didn't preview the items beforehand is really quick decision making. But I guess it is all in good fun and it isn't that bad after all. On hindsight, I really love this olive green color and it is definitely easy to match. So I have previously owned Longchamp tote bags before, and if you had it for a long time, sometimes you can see bubbling in the fabric right here and possibly wear and tears at the 4 corners. Well, this piece has a bit of wear on the corners, which was clearly stated in the description, But overall, I am pretty impressed that it didn't have the bubbling and still has many more years left to it. The conditions of the handles are in pretty good shape as well. I'm not sure if you can see it there. So ultimately, I had fun at this auction and definitely will want to hunt down a few more goodies next time. But I have now learned my lesson to preview the items first. Well, will I do it again? I probably will not make such a rash decision in 10 seconds, but only when I have viewed it beforehand. Let me know what you think of this bag I have won at my first auction in the comment section below, and I would love to read what you guys have to say. I hope all of you had fun today watching and listening to my first experience at an online luxury auction. It was indeed such an eye-opener to me, and I definitely had such a thrill bidding for items I didn't need and I wasn't intending to buy. If you love content like this, then I welcome you to subscribe and join my channel in the luxury journey of life with Lokie. Oh, and remember to hit that bell to get first updates in future. Thank you for coming and have a blessed week, Queens. Goodbye! What do you think? It's pretty, isn't it? Now let's go shopping.